In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shoes on the Strava app. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just getting started, keeping track of your gear is essential to monitor their usage and get the most out of your investment. Let's dive right into the process. To start off, you'll need to open the Strava app on your mobile device. Make sure you're already logged in so you're able to jump right to business. Once you have the app up and running, navigate to the U tab. It's typically located at the bottom of the screen in the main navigation bar. Tap on that and then you'll want to access your profile. You can do this by selecting the profile option or simply tapping on your profile photo if it appears there. Now we're looking for the section labelled gear. This is fairly straightforward, just scroll down a bit in your profile and you'll find it. On the website it's named My Gear. This section is conveniently located to help you manage all the equipment you use for your various activities, making it easy to stay organised. The next step is to add your new gear. Look for a plus icon or an option that says Add Gear. This is your gateway to inputting all the details about your new pair of shoes. When you tap on it, a form will appear that requires a few pieces of information. Here it is necessary to fill in the details about your shoes, such as the brand and the model. These are essential to ensure that every mile tracked corresponds to the right footwear. Additionally, you have the option to enter a nickname or any specific notes that might help you in easily identifying this pair in the future. For instance, if you're rotating between multiple pairs of shoes, a distinctive nickname can really help differentiate them at a glance. After you've input all the necessary information, you'll see an option to set this pair as your default gear. This is particularly useful if you want the app to automatically track the usage of these shoes every time you log an activity. It simplifies your experience by eliminating the need to manually select the gear each time. Finally, to complete the process, all you have to do is tap Save. This will ensure that all the information you've entered is stored and applied to your account. And just like that, your shoes are all set up in the Strava app. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your running gear, helping you stay on track with your fitness goals. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and how-tos. Thanks for watching.